Hello everyone, welcome back. So today in this Python programming video series, we are going to see the topic that is constructor. So what is constructor in Python? So constructor is a special method basically, okay, that automatically runs where you create an object of a class. Okay, so you guys are very much aware that whenever we are going to just create the class, we can just create out the object as well, right? So object is nothing but which is actually having the behaviors, right? Set of behaviors, right? So here you can basically say about the constructor that it's a special method. Okay, whenever you are going to just create the object, the constructor would be called out automatically internally. Okay, so in Python the constructor method is, let's say, how are you just going to just define the constructor. Okay, so you can give the def keyword because of course it's a method after all, right? So you can just give double underscore, you need to give the keyword init, and again you need to give the double underscore. So within the parenthesis you can just pass out the self parameter. Okay, so this is the way I would say, okay, to create the constructor. So let's just see the purpose of constructor in Python, right? So mainly it is used out to initialize the variables, okay, and to set up the object when it's created. So whenever the object is created, right, and just to setting it up, we are going to use out the constructor. Okay. So further we will see the types of constructors as well. Okay. So let's just see a quick syntax. So you can just give the class name. It is just the basic syntax. Okay. So let's say we are having a class A. Okay. So how can we just define the constructor? So if I'm like telling, I'm okay, let me just copy this to the Visual Studio Code. I'll just explain you here what is the constructor basic syntax. Okay, so let's say my class name is A. Okay, and you can just give double underscore init keyword. Okay, self, initially we are just passing nothing, we are just giving out here self parameter. Okay, and here you can just write the line of code. Okay, so this is the basic syntax how you can just write the constructor. Okay, so I hope guys this is going to be a useful theory for you. So in case if you're having any questions or doubts, you can just connect me over the comment section. Okay, also in case if you have any improvisations or suggestions, you can let me know that as well. So you guys can check out my class video and object videos just to get a better understanding over the constructor topic. Okay, so I hope this is going to be a useful quick theory about the constructor. Thank you so much.